guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we have some chicken legs here, and we're going to make it some buffalo chicken legs with blue cheese crumble. And for that, I have already got my chicken. I've dried it. Make sure you pack them dry because you're going to want a crispy chicken. And we're not going to fry these or deep fry these. We're going to put them in the oven and fry and let the oven do all the work. And you're going to do it on a cookie sheet. Don't put it in a pan. Don't put it in anything. Put it on a cookie sheet. Alright, so I have my chicken here. And so now I have my vegetable oil that I'm going to go down with. I'm going to put that in there because we want to coat the chicken with the oil. Then I have a dish. So I have some garlic powder. We're going to pour some into our dish. That's like a tablespoon. And we have onion powder. We're just going to pour it right into our dish. Another tablespoon, half a tablespoon of onion powder. We have some seasoning oil. Half a teaspoon of, just a teaspoon of seasoning oil. Black pepper. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. Salt. A half a teaspoon of salt. Now we really want to season up. So we really want to season up this chicken. Now I'm just going to mix it together. Because we want to give this chicken a good flavor. We don't want bland chicken in this kitchen. Alright, so now take the two gifts that God gave you with your hand and just coat this chicken in the oil. Just like so. Don't be shy, get in there and just get it really coated. Just like so. Now that the chicken is covered in oil, we're going to go in with our beautiful season mix. Alright, you're going to hit half down and just mix. Alright, we're going to go back in with some more of the season mix. Like I said, we want to coat it. We want to be generous with it, but we also want to make sure that every part of the chicken gets seasoned so we don't have bland chicken. You might be saying, oh, that's a lot of seasoning. Well, it's not. Get that chicken coated. Stop the rest on there. And that's all you need to get delicious chicken. It's like this. And you're going to let this sit about 5 to 10 minutes. so that all this can adhere to the chicken and go in there. And that gives you time to put lutefoil on your cookie sheet. It gives you time to do everything you need to do. Alright, I'll be right back, guys, to show you what we're going to do next. Get rid of these gloves. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're back. And let's get these chicken right onto our pan. Just like so. Get that nice and seasoned. So arrange these so they all just fit so beautifully onto the pan. Like that. Got one more piece. Just gotta figure out how I'm going to get this right there. There we go. I found the spot. Now we're just gonna move it over, just give it some space. There we go. Got all the chicken on here. Alright, now we're gonna get these into on a high heat oven, 410-degree oven. You're going to get these in here for these to crisp up real nice and crispy for us, guys. And when we come back, I'm going to show you guys how to make that buffalo sauce. Alright, it's a 3-ingredient buffalo sauce you can't miss. Absolutely delicious. We'll be back. Alright, guys, so let's make that sauce that I was talking about. So I have a half a stick of melted butter here. And I have some garlic powder. Just going to use a teaspoon or tablespoon. 3 ingredients. That's all you need to make buffalo sauce. I have my hot sauce. I'm going to put about half a cup. There you have it. Buffalo sauce. And you make the buffalo sauce, just make sure that the butter is still hot when you melt it. You don't have to cook it on the stove, you don't have to do any of that stuff. And I like using Frank's hot sauce, but you can use whatever you have on hand. It'll still give you the same results. Fantastic buffalo sauce, guys. Quick, easy. 3 ingredients. When we come back, we're going to slather this all over that chicken and pop it right back in the oven. Alright, so we have our buffalo sauce and our chicken. I'm going to take this sauce and we're just going to, and the chicken is nice and crispy. I have to say, you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's nice and crispy. And if you think you need more, just double the recipe. Put a whole stick of butter in and a whole cup of this sauce, of hot sauce. I can't even get it out. So I'm not going to do 4 of these because my husband does not like buffalo sauce, but this is what I wanted to do. So you can enjoy the tasty chicken without the sauce. It's 4. Turn them over. I'm just flipping the chicken. I'm gonna flip these ones too as well. And our tongs. Just get it all over there. Let's get this beautiful sauce. I'm telling you, buffalo sauce only takes 3 ingredients, guys. I'm trying to tell you, I just taught y'all something new. You don't have to go into the store and buy it, because everything you need, you already got probably. Alright, so I'm going to stick these in the oven. When I come back, we're going to take these out of the oven. And then we're going to add that blue cheese crumble, and then we're going to plate these up, and then we're going to give them a taste. Alright guys, so we're back. I have these buffalo chickens that came out. When we come back, we're going to plate these up and get the blue cheese on them, let them cool down for like a few minutes. We're going to get these plated up, add our blue cheese crumble, and we'll be right back. Alright, so here's the blue cheese crumble. Just going to crumble it all over the chicken, just like so. And just like that. Now, I'm going to add some parsley, just because I like to give it a little color. Isn't that pretty, guys? Y'all see that? Now, nothing to do but to give it a taste. Look at that, guys. It's hot. Not bad. That blue cheese crumble. It's so tender. Alright guys, I gave you all a new recipe. Don't forget to give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you be notified every time Shelly uploads these delicious videos. Alright guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Alright, so here's the blue cheese crumble. Just going to crumble it all over the chicken, just like so. And just like that. Now, I'm going to add some parsley, just because I like to give it a little color. Isn't that pretty, guys? Y'all see that? Now, nothing to do but to give it a taste. Look at that, guys. It's hot. Not bad. That blue cheese crumble. It's so tender. Alright guys, I gave you all a new recipe. Don't forget to give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you be notified every time Shelly uploads these delicious videos. Alright guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.